Assalamu alaikum, how are you all? This tutorial for Dubai Future Museum, and this is the tutorial part 1. So let's start. Okay, first of all I go to massing and site and place mass in mass 1. Okay, so now I want to make here the center line. Okay, this reference plane. This is I rename 1, and again here rename 2. Okay, and the other one here is rename 3. Okay, so now this is the 3 in reference plane. Okay, so what I do, go to the south elevation. Okay, and make the reference plane here 1. This is just only to the center line. Okay, and now I select this ellipse. Okay, and pick a plane. Okay, so just I select the reference plane 1. Okay, if you don't know why I select this the reference plane 1, and what is the function of this reference plane 1, 2, and the south elevation north, so you can find my uh, previous tutorial in my channel and watch the tutorial, so you will understand. I create many tutorials for this and explain very well. So now click this reference plane 1. Okay, and create this ellipse from here to here. Okay, so this is the one ellipse. Okay, and go to the 3D view. So this is now create one ellipse, and again south elevation, click on this sheet. Okay, and select the reference plane 2. Okay, and again, okay, now I don't want to create the ellipse again. I just select this pick line and click this one. Okay, so check this 3D view. So now this create on the 2D, in the 3D the work plan 2. Okay, so the reference plan 2. So now I select again the south elevation and click this one to make rescale. Okay, so scale on this one. Okay, from this center line to here, like this. Okay, and now select the set again and select the reference plane 3. Okay, and pick line. Again click this one and select this one, and again the rescale this one a little bit like this. Okay, so now this 3 ellipse is done. So check on the 3D view. So this is big, this is a little small, and this is little bit small. Okay, so now I go to the level 1. Okay, and this distance is too much, so I click on this one and right here 2. Okay, and again I click this one and right here 1.5. Okay, so now go to the 3D like this. Okay, so what I do, click on level 1. Okay, and select this 2 line. Okay, this is the ellipse. Okay, and mirror. Okay, so click on this 3D. Okay, so now this is the shape of uh, uh, Dubai Future Museum. Okay, and now what I do, I select this all. Okay, and create the form. Okay, so now see, this is the shape of that Dubai Future Museum. Okay, and this tutorial part 1 is enough now, and I will continue tutorial part 2. Okay, if you don't subscribe my channel, subscribe, like and share. I hope you like this tutorial, and thank you for watching.